doesn't sound a whole lot louder. I'm sure that'll change once I get the trailer hooked up behind it, actually pull a little bit of weight. And a fog light. Okay, so another video here. This thing had a really nice muffler on it, and was dumped right before the axle. Pretty quiet inside the cab. This thing has a BD Super B turbo, and to be honest, you can't really hear it all that much at all. So I like noisy things, so I'm gonna ditch the muffler. I got some scraps from the 3rd gen and all the different exhausts that I've built for that thing. Trying to get it how I like it, but anyways, I'm gonna hopefully get something popped on here real quick. I got a road trip today, so I figured I'd do this and test it out, see how loud it is, and then get a good baseline of how well the sound deadening does when I put all that in here, which hopefully finish up this weekend. But for now, I'm gonna square up this exhaust. All right, so ended up just whiz banging this thing on there real quick. It's obviously a little short of the rear axle, so I'll probably extend it back so it drops down right before that rear shock, just to get it that much farther away from the cab. But if it's not quite how I like it, I might even use that 5-inch, or what is that, a 6-inch tip, and then build something out of that. I got straight section there that would get me far enough back. I'll give it a test here in a minute. Which I actually did the same thing on the 3rd gen because I lowered that, and getting the 5-inch exhaust up around the axle just wasn't really working. It was always banging into it and knocking things loose. So I did the pre-axle dump, and anyways, I put this straight 4-inch turn down in place of that muffler because I wanted this 12 valve to really sing, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, it was still pretty quiet, so I just put this 5 to 7-inch turn down setup on there. I'll get a sound clip, but that normally really helps bring out some noise. I'm kind of a ricer, so I like that stuff. honestly doesn't sound a whole lot louder. I'm sure that'll change once I get the trailer hooked up behind it and actually pull a little bit of weight. Definitely got a little bit more of a deep tone at idle though. Inside the cab though, it's not too bad since I did all that sound deadening and insulation. So that's cool. Love it. Now I need to just give it a good wash. Got the transferred the plate from my Daihatsu Hijet onto the Cummins since I sold the K truck. Got to replace some cab lights. I noticed one of them was out this morning. And a fog light.